Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here. I got a question I'm trying to answer here is, how do you make a square roll? Well, when it comes to rolling square, I say the answer might be charge it, because they have some interesting chargers here. We're going to be looking at these two here right after this. Okay, before I begin, I want to say that Rolling Square was actually one of the first products that I ever did a video for. Yeah, seriously, if you look at my first video, I had a bunch of products, and one of them was the Rolling Square. It was, I think, the inCharge, and it was kind of an old little thing, kind of like this. And this thing is pretty small, so I'm going to have to bring it closer to the camera. Close enough? Just kidding. But seriously, we better open this thing up and find out what we got here. So if I'm right, it's going to be a lot like that product I reviewed so many years ago. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, as you can see, we have a charger here, or at least what looks like a charging cable. It's very small. This is a 4-in-1 keyring cable. I believe it's 24 watt. At least that's what it says on the site I'm looking at. So here's the thing. It locks together magnetically like that. And then here is something. Here's that... geez, do I really want to say it? Old school iPhone charger. And by old school, I don't mean that 30-pin one that was very wide. I mean that one they used to make before they said, heck with it, okay, USB-C is better, let's just do it. Anyway, so this I think comes out or something? Yeah, there we go. It comes out, and then we've got a USB-C underneath it. So if you happen to realize, like, so if you bought this for your iPhone and you have an older iPhone, that'll still work. And you got that thing too. As far as this is concerned here, I believe on the other side, it says 4-in-1, so I guess you could do, there's a USB-A right here with a USB-C, and is there anything more you can do with that? I think that's about it. I'd have to do the math on this, but I think that would be 4-in-1 that you have here. I'm going to say, yeah, according to the diagram that I'm seeing on here, that's what we've got. So it's very highly rated according to this. So we've got 2 inputs and 2 outputs. So a total of 4 different connections. I think they did the math better than I could. I'm trying to think of the variations for these, and all I'm doing is just going factorial and stuff like that. So so it's very fast charging, 240 watts, and Apple's fast charging up to 27 watts. So I just suddenly realized I don't really know what I'm really talking about as far as that power is concerned. But I like how it is very compact, folds up really well, and yeah, you could put this on your keychain, and it's just like, wow, I mean, there it is. So in case you need a charge on that, which, by the way, shoot, why am I not demonstrating this? I mean, I've got something before me here, and I might as well, let's see. All right, yeah. Okay, so I got this old phone here. Let's set it up. I'm surprised it took me that long for me to figure that out. Okay, so yeah, you got not a lot of room on this. But let's see, and I gotta admit, I might have to take off the case in order to properly demonstrate this, but I'm just gonna plug this in here, and of course, I've got to reverse, because why in the world would not that happen? Okay, I'm charging right now, right as we speak, so if I was just like, I was in a bind and I needed just a place to charge my phone really quick, I could do that right there, and I'm told this is really super fast charging, but do you really want me to just sit here and just let this charge? Maybe you do, I don't know. Or would you like that? Would you like a live stream of me charging my phone and doing nothing but charging my phone? Oh, that might be an interesting live show. I've been thinking about doing live shows lately and kind of need a good subject matter. Maybe Rolling Square could be that. Maybe I would try and roll a square and just see how funny that would be. I don't know. I think that would get rolled real quick. But hey, let's unplug this and open this guy. Okay, so this is the inCharge XL, and this is I believe a 6.6 foot, 100 watts, 6-in-1 super long cable. At least that's what I see here. It comes in this kind of thing here. I did not expect that. So we've got it's kind of a portable little holder of some type. Ooh, yeah, this is actually kind of cool. And then we got this little thing, and the cable itself doesn't really feel metallic or even rubberized. It kind of has this sort of threaded, I don't know, vinyl-y, or I don't really know how to describe this other than that. But basically the thing that you use to draw your curtains open is the cord is probably very similar to this. Boy, that's about it. Okay. I couldn't really think of some words to describe it. Anyway, let's get to this. Okay, so this pops off. And then we have this thing here. Looks like the same formation as the inCharge. What was that thing called? XS? I forgot. Oh gosh. Trying to get a really low memory here. inCharge XS, that's it. Because I guess extra small, and here's the extra large. Oh my gosh, I just realized that just now. Anyway, so we've got the, again, should I call it that? Old school iPhone charger cable? What do they call it? Lightning? Yeah, they used to be called Lightning. Now that I think about it, boy, it's weird that I forgot that. How quickly we forget. And then we just do this, and then now it's USB-C. So whatever your iPhone is, that is, because I'm pretty sure the older iPhones didn't have the 30-pin connector. Boy, that'd be funny if it did. Anyway, so this thing's got this, and then this. So we've got USB-A and USB-C. So whatever kind of thing there. Now this time, I'm going to, oh my gosh, this thing pulled right off. I did not expect that. That was very unexpected. Can I put it back on again? Please tell me I can. I did not expect that. Okay, I was able to put that back on rather easily. Yeah, okay, I'm not going to call the product bad because it did that, okay? Chances are I might have pulled that wrong or pulled it too hard. I get it. So please do not, inCharge make some really good, or Rolling Square make some really good products. I don't want to say a bad word about them on a thing, or even, because this has happened before. I've actually done reviews and people like say like, how come you said something bad about your product? And I said, I didn't know this. So honestly, don't happen to me. So that's what you got. Alright. These look like pretty good. Yep, and they are pretty good. And I am charging my phone right now as we speak, thanks to this cord in here. So, not bad here. You know what, I suddenly realized I forgot to give the price. Let's go for this. The price of the XS is about $29.90, and the price of the XL is about $34.90. Now, can you get a cheaper charging cable for that price? Oh, heck yeah, you can go to Walmart now and just look at the bargain bin and just shove something on there, but would it charge as fast, and would it be able to do so much? I don't think so. Versatility is, of course, the name of the game, isn't it? And hey, these are for sure versatile. Which reminds me, I got this. And I didn't order this. I was told that two of these things would be sent to me. And what about this thing? And I don't know. Let's just open it. Okay, so now we have the alarm box. We're just gonna do this. So let's just open this up, see what they sent me. Because I didn't order this. I swear, or at least, I mean, then again, I don't really order these products per se. Usually companies send them to me. But usually I know what I'm going to get. And sometimes they throw in a little surprise. This must be the surprise. So what is this? Oh, you know what I thought this was? My last name is Rollins, and I saw this, R-O-L-L, and I just went like, oh my gosh, is this like a name, is this like a strap with my name on it? No, it's Rolling Square, okay? So that's how that works. So of course it does this. It has this here, with the little, not really sure what I can use this for, honestly. Yeah. I guess I can do this. My microphone, which by the way, I'm trying out a new microphone, so hopefully the sound is pretty good. I've done this in the past without a microphone, and I don't know, it just seems to be okay. Hey everybody, Mark from the editing room here, and as I was editing that video, I had no idea that the sound was so bad due to that microphone there. I'm using a different microphone here, and what's funny is we're going to probably do a formal review of that one microphone that I was using. And hopefully I will not hold that error against it. I think, honestly, I think that microphone is taking its time to sort of figure out what's going on as far as my lapel is concerned. And also, I was reviewing a strap and was getting that thing close to the microphone, and I think that was interfering with it. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of make this little thing just so I could give a proper send-off that I normally do. So anyway, but I gave all the stuff about Rolling Square, and this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.